Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you add what do you focus on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just click here on focus here. It's going to take you to this list. So then you just click in this sign here in up front of focus. You will click on it. It's going to show for you like this. So then here you add here. So what do you want to focus on? Can you add fitness or gaming or mid-length or reading? And two, can you add driving? I added this before. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.